The cost of Shiba Inu is going to double tonight, with new coins and tokens like Shiba Inu and the introduction of Shibarium often reaching the market. Cryptocurrencies are growing in acceptability and appeal. In future Layer 2, L2, blockchain network for Shiba Inu called Shibarium was developed on Ethereum. It will turn the meme coin Shiba Inu into a whole ecosystem. We will discuss the upcoming increase in price of Shiba Inu this evening in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu, a meme currency of note, is now ranked among the top 15 cryptocurrencies in terms of market valuation. The group behind Shib has continued to work on several projects at a consistent rate of development. The Shib ecosystem is well known for its noteworthy benchmarks and significant accomplishments. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange reportedly revealed that it has decided to remove Shiba Inu and other tokens, such as Fraxshare, Trust Wallet Token, and 1inch, from the Innovation Zone. The Innovation Zone was created, according to Binance's release, to provide a secure environment for users to trade novel and creative products. Some of these initiatives could have shown their value over time and achieved the high caliber we need. Binance announced that it has chosen to remove Shib and several other tokens from the Innovation Zone after thorough evaluations. Shib reached this milestone after assessments by Binance that were based on a number of variables. Therefore, someone wrote a script to generate millions of wallets in an effort to emphasize their value. Examine the network. The number of hosted wallets on PuppyNet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network, is still rising, raising questions about what can be behind this unexpected rise. Recent revelations state that a script was created to stress test the network by creating millions of wallets. A recent tweet from a team member of the Shib Pixel Pups NFT project revealed that the project is based on Shiba Inu. The person said that they wrote a script that created more than 9.5 million PuppyNet wallets and more than 3 million beta network transactions. The team member continued by saying that they were also in charge of creating around 1620 tokens on the test network. These tokens include Shib Pixel Pups DAO, CP, DAO, and Shib Pixel Pups Token, SPPX. PuppyNet's official block explorer, Puppyscan, provides data that reveals the network has an astounding 13.3 million wallet addresses and over 3.47 million transactions. Remember that there were more than 5 million wallets, an 86% increase in only 2 days. This extraordinary surge was caused by this script. The aim of the test network is to provide interested parties a chance to run different kinds of tests on the network to confirm its reliability and efficacy prior to mainnet deployment. All activity, coins, and transactions shown on the testnet are exclusively for testing reasons and are not genuine, as the Shiba Inu head, Satoshi Kusama, has frequently stressed. It's a commendable endeavor to write a script that creates millions of wallets on the test network, since this may help assess how scalable and effective the blockchain is. It may also assist in identifying any possible errors or malfunctions that can arise along the procedure. To evaluate the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. The script's authors said that their goal was to assess how well the network could manage instances of heavy traffic, such as airdrops and games. They also discussed testing the network's resiliency, transaction speed, and other capabilities by running an airdrop script in other ways. No bugs have been reported as of yet. The Shib burns over the month of March have been very remarkable. 6.78 billion Shib tokens were destroyed in March, totaling 540 transactions. As a result, both the total number of Shib destroyed and the number of transactions were much higher than in the prior months. Since October 2022, when 9.05 billion Shib were destroyed in 2433 transactions, the amount burned in March was the largest. Over 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burnt in 3 transactions, according to the Shib burn tracker, which revealed yesterday that 25.31 million of those transactions came from a single wallet. The wallet Coinbase 10, which is linked to Coinbase, made the biggest transaction, sending a staggering 25,313,097 SHIB to the burn address in one go. The overall burn rate increased by 11.08% as a result of this transaction from the 2.93 million SHIB from the day before. The futures market also provides evidence of the rising trend. Shiba Inu's open interest, OI, has increased since the beginning of March. The number of active positions that investors have taken in contracts is the statistic. The quantity of open futures has surpassed 2.4 trillion SHIB, or around $26.78 million, according to CoinGlass statistics. OI was just around $18 million a month ago. The rise in open interest indicates that traders' interest in SHIB is expanding. Early in March, when the SHIB price reached its annual high of $0.4516, the OI was $47.3 million. The price of the Shiba Inu was $0.2749 at the time of publishing. The SHIB price is now trading in an ascending triangle, a continuation pattern as was described on NewsPTD. By the end of April, it may be clear whether the bulls or bears win out in the end. Due to a steady increase that began a month ago, Shiba Inu's futures open interest, OI, has surged to 2.4 trillion tokens, or $27.51 million, attracting the attention of investors. This upward trend portends a resurgence of interest and raises expectations for a price increase. The entire number of open futures contracts that have not been closed out or settled by an offsetting deal is referred to as the futures open interest. In essence, it shows how many contracts are still in effect and owned by market players. An asset's exponential growth in open interest often indicates that traders are initiating positions in anticipation of price moves and that a significant quantity of fresh money is flowing into the market. Shiba Inu's open interest has risen by more than 52% from the low of $18.05 million seen on March 13 to the present level of $27.51 million worth of SHIB tokens, or $2.4 trillion, according to data from CoinGlass, a futures trading intelligence platform. Since the asset's price often rises in response to an increase in open interest, the OI chart illustrates the relationship between SHIB's open interest and price movement. OI rose to 3.2 trillion tokens, with SHIB tokens valued at $47.3 million. On March 5. Alongside this, SHIB's price spiked to $0.04,500 on that day, the asset's greatest value of the year. But after March 5th, SHIB's OI began to decline, and the asset's price started to decline as well. The open interest is once again seeing a spike in value after plunging to a low on March 13. Investors anticipate a corresponding increase in the asset's price. Trade activity on Binance has also shown a renewed interest in SHIB. Over the last 4 days, Shiba Inu's volume on Binance has risen every day after falling to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8. At now, the volume is 2.44 trillion tokens. SHIB is trying to break out of the ascending triangle. It is now trapped in during the prolonged consolidation phase, despite its current underperformance. The item is now trading at $0.27, having decreased 0.3% over the previous day. Should the triangle split, SHIB may go for the March highs of $0.45. Recent patterns indicate that the asset has become popular among market players, and more demand may help it achieve its objectives. Recently, the Shiba Inu community also hinted about a historic cooperation with the late great singer Scott Page and an NFT alliance with well-known American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, in which Storms would welcome SHIB into his official shop. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.